In what has been a new surge of asylum seekers, the city of San Antonio says nearly 30,000 migrants have now passed through San Antonio since April. They were loaded up on buses on the border after being processed and then sent along their way to destinations all around the U.S.
As Garrett Berger explains, one councilman's concerns about what they could be bringing with them, bringing some sharp rebukes from colleagues.
With hundreds of migrants passing through the San Antonio airport every day, District 10 Councilman Clayton Perry lamented today that they aren't required to be tested for COVID-19.
I don't understand why the federal government isn't doing it, number one, but if they're not doing it, why can't we do that to make sure that we're not continuing to spread this disease across the country?
Perry's comments came as the council discussed a contract with Catholic Charities to help care for migrants who come through the airport. City staff say most of the migrants move on quickly, maybe staying one night before flying out. And they have the same rights as other airport customers and cannot be forced to take a test.
And a lot of our nonprofits are testing those individuals. And so we feel that a majority of them coming are tested, but there are no testing mandates.
And some of Perry's fellow council members took offense to his line of questioning.
I believe that calling this item out for discussion is calling it out because the people who are receiving these services are people of color and because they have a different national origin than some of the people sitting on this dais.
The rhetoric characterizing immigrants, migrants, or refugees as disease or virus carriers is very dangerous.
Well, Councilman McKee Rodriguez pointed out there's a danger to the migrants passing through San Antonio, too.
It's not people bringing in diseases here. We have the disease. We have the virus here.
Perry denied his concerns had anything to do with race and ultimately joined the rest of the council in passing the contract. Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.